Greetings to all. I, Dr. Preeti Hooda, welcomes you in Global Vision School, which is an English medium co-educational school in Ansal Sushant City, Sector 61, Sonipat. It is CBSE affiliated school and its number is 531978. I hope those who are willing to take admission in the coming session, I request to all those parents to come and have a visit this school, what we are and what we are going to provide to all the students in our campus. Being a principal of this school, it's my duty to introduce you about our school campus. This school has been run by R.D. Goyal Foundation, who are in the field of education from the past so many decades. This is the time when we are here to tell you about our school. The school is affiliated from CBSE, and from this coming session 2022 and 23 we are going to start taking admission in class 9th as well as in class 11th. In class 11th, we will take admission in all 4 streams like humanities, commerce, medical and non-medical. This is the time to tell you about the all-round development of the students. For the all-round development of students, it is important to give them each and everything at a particular time period. And to keep this thing in our mind, we are providing practical as well as theoretical knowledge to all the students. For this, we have computer labs where we are providing practical knowledge from class 1st onwards. Besides that, we have mathematics lab where students have to know how to do the things first with their own hands, and then they have to understand the things very easily. We have bio lab, chemistry lab and so many other labs in the campus. Library facility we have where students can take books from library without paying extra amount. It is a issue return policy where they have to take the books for a particular time period and then return it after once the time has become over. Next, indoor games facility for all the students, especially for our pre-primary students. Indoor activity rooms they have, plus they have their computer labs where they learn about the gadgets, how we have to use and how they are important for us. We have indoor games facility like carom board, table tennis, etc. Besides that, skating classes, taekwondo classes are providing to the students for their all-round development. Cultural activities, we put emphasis upon cultural activities where we are providing musical classes. They learn instrumental as well as vocal, and we are not charging for all those facilities from our students. This is all about the school, and it's my request to all the parents who are seeking for admissions for their wards, please come and have a visit so that you will come to know about each and everything. For queries, please, you are most welcome to come to school morning 8 till 1 o'clock on morning Monday to Saturday. And we have given some links. You can click on those links. Through that you will get some more information regarding our school. Hope you all are fine at your place and wishes for your bright future. Thanks.